Hey guys, I wish all of you are doing well. Welcome to another lesson of Microsoft Office Word from Literacy Bits. In this lesson, we're going to study about the layout of the table. So the next one is select. When you want to select cell, you come here, you can select from here. Select cell, it will select your cell. For example, I want to select this area. I click it, I go to select cell, it will select column. It will select the column where your cursor is. Select column. The next one is select row. It will select your row. For example, my cursor is here. It has to select the row. The next one is select table. It will select all of your table. The next one is view grid lines. So what is grid lines? Let me explain it. We select eraser. I want to erase this area. Delete it. As you can see, it is deleted, but there is some lines, grid lines, okay? So this is the job of grid line. When you click, it will disappear. So the next one is properties. So properties is whether you want your cell to be bigger or smaller. You can change the size in here, like it should be like 2 inches, okay? It will be like this size. And whether you want this in percent or inch, I think inch is good. Whether you want your table to be in center, or whether you want your table be none and around. So what does around do? For example, when I choose around, I can type a text around my table. See, I can type everything around it. Whether it is not around, if it is none, you can type any. So the next one is draw table. You can draw table with this pencil. This is how you can erase your table. Erase it. The next option is deleting. You can delete cell, you can delete column, delete rows, and delete table. If you want to delete this cell, you click in here and you will click delete cell. It will delete your cell. The next one is insert above. If you want to insert a table in above, you click here. It will add and insert one in above. If you want to add in below, it will insert in below, in the left side, in the right side. Whether you want to merge your cell, you can merge it. Whether you want to split your cell like this, you want to split your cell from here. Whether you want to split your table, you click split table, it will be split. The next option is auto fit. What does auto fit do? As an example, we have a table, and we have like a bunch of words. So I want my layout to be auto fit. It will auto fit the content. As an example, one text is long, the other one is short. This is how it looks and how it works. Auto fit the window. It will auto fit the window through your document, through your paper, and it will fixed column width, whether you want your column to be fixed or not. This is where you can insert high or width. This is distributive row, where you can distribute your rows and distribute your columns. And this section will allow you whether your text should be in middle, in the right side, in the left side, or anywhere. As an example, this in the middle, the bottom, in the middle, and this is the text direction. Whether you want your text to be upside down, in the left and the right, or like this. This is the cell margin, and this is where you can add margins to your cells. About allow spacing between cells. You may have cell inside cell like this. I want my cell to be like this. See, you can have this type of cells, or you want to add in bottom and everything. So I want to uncheck it, and this is the automatically resize to fit the content. You click here, it will make your content auto resize and everything. The next option is about sort. Let me tell you about sort. As an example, we have 5, we have 4, 2, 6, 1. I want this to be sorted from Yeah, from this column, it is number. It should be ascending from A to Z, or from 1 to, whether you want them to be in ascending or descending. Descending makes it from Z to A, or from infinity to 1. So I want this to be in ascending. Column 1, number. Yeah, as you can see, it arranged and sorts our number. The next option is repeat the header. As an example, we have a header, we call it name, that's name, else. And when I click repeat the header row, and when I have bunch of table, it will repeat my header row, and as you can see in the next page, it repeat the, and when I click and deselect it, the next option is convert to text. Whether I have some text and this table to text. It will be converted into text, our table. And the last option is the formula. Whether you wanna do some formula stuff like 100 plus 20 plus 10. It will be. And the next option on the function is about the average and false. We are going to set all of these options in Microsoft Excel Word. So this was the 12th lesson of Microsoft Office Word from Literacy Bit. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to follow the other lessons too. Bye bye.